Hi, good morning, good evening, everybody. So it's a pleasure to be here among the top selected startups. So quickly, with the paucity of time, I will just want to take you through what we are exactly doing. We reach out to the small and marginal farmers. And how do we reach? We reach through the FPO gateway. We act as a CBBO wherein we form and manage FPOs and where we have an assembly of farmers, and these farmers are part of that company in the form of board of directors, and they appoint a CEO and a accountant who run that FPO as a FPC. Now this group of farmers are facing this climate change, and to make them more climate resilient, we reach out to their farmland, and there we digitize their farmland, and we check last 3 years of the farming, how they have done the farming through various agronomy parameters, and we deploy our AI model there, and just see in the last 3 years, which will have 6 seasons, how that farm has performed. Based on that, we will come up with a score. We call it a Khet score, which helps us giving them advisory, as well as this becomes a kind of underwriting tool for banks, NBFCs, and even the insurance company for underwriting their product. So these farmers, most of them will not have proper documentation, will not have proper ownership track, and this makes their life difficult in getting those credit from the formal institutes. Then they have to rely on the money lenders, where they have to take on a very, very high rate of interest. And when we are reaching out to them, when we are advising them to adopt this climate resilient practice, the main question they will ask us, where is the money? From where we'll purchase all those things which you are asking? So we try to connect them with the bank and NBFCs, and also with the nearest FPOs. We make them member, and that FPO will have those set of input equipments which will help to increase the yield of that farmer's farmland. And with the help of FPOs, we'll also do the forward linkages as well as the backward linkages. And this is how we try to stitch the entire agri ecosystem for the small and marginal farmers. How do we help them? We basically reach to their doorstep. We are providing them doorstep banking. And in today's world, we know that there are a lot of women farmers also, because the male counterparts do migrate, they go for labor work. So many times we see that these women are working in the field. They don't have time to go to the urban places to apply for loans, and they cannot go round and round to these banks and NBFCs. So we reach to their doorstep. We provide all these services and make their life easy. So we have seen that how our model has impacted. So till now, we have done more than 38,000 of loans, and 95% of that has gone to the small and marginal farmers. And 36% of these cases, women are the primary borrowers. And we have seen, by using our Khet score and accepting our climate smart advisories, we have seen the yield of that farmland increasing, which helps in repayment. And for the banks, NBFC, and insurance, they have this underwriting tool, with the help of which, if a farmer doesn't have any other bureau record, they can rely on this Khet score as underwriting and provide them the financial assistance. And we have a Khet score now also, wherein we can provide today's status of that farmland. And this we keep on comparing with the signature field. Signature fields are the fields which are the good field, and by comparing the progress of that field with the signature field, we keep advising to the farmer that there is something missing, something change you have to do, something you need to add. So this is how we try to guide, help, by becoming partner to those farmers, not only just providing credit access, but end-to-end a 360-degree solution. So this is the model, and we are very, very hopeful that we can increase the footprint with the help of big lenders like HDFC. We are right now operating in 5 states. We want to expand. We want to reach out to all the small and marginal farmers, which account around 85% of the total farmers in India. And if we make their life easy, definitely India's growth will be boosted. Thank you. Thanks so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much.